Hi, welcome to the video Install IntelliJ Community 2024.3.3 on Windows. I am Nam Haming at Code Java.net. In this video, I'd love to help you get started with Java programming, Java development on Windows computer using IntelliJ IDEA, one of the most popular Java IDEs. In detail, I'm going to show you how to download IntelliJ installer for Windows and then set up IntelliJ Community version 2024.3.3 as of February 2025. And you will also see how to create and run the first Java project, a kind of Hello World program using IntelliJ IDEA. Note that no need to install Java development kit JDKs separately because the IDE can detect and use existing JDKs, or you can install a new JDK right inside from the IDE. So it's very convenient to develop Java projects using IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so what is IntelliJ IDEA? You know, IntelliJ is an intelligent Java IDE developed by JetBrains company. It is smarter and more powerful than Eclipse and NetBeans IDE. IntelliJ IDEA has two editions. The first one is IntelliJ IDEA Community, which is free and open source. Programmers use Community Edition for developing Java desktop and Android applications with Kotlin language support. And the second edition is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, which is commercial. Programmers use IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate for developing Java enterprise applications using Java web and frameworks. And in this video, you will see how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. And the official homepage is jetbrains.com/idea. Okay, so the first step is head over to the official homepage of IntelliJ IDEA at this URL jetbrains.com/idea. You see, this is the official page of IntelliJ IDEA, the IDE for professional development in Java and Kotlin. You can see the download button here. Click the download button here. Then you can see there are two editions. The first one, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. The second one is IntelliJ IDEA Community. You can check the requirements here. Version 2024.3.3 system requirements. Here you see 64-bit version of Windows 10, build number 1809 and later 2 GB free RAM, 3.5 GB hard disk space, and 1024 768 minimum screen resolution. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So click the download button here to download the IDEA installer for Windows. It is the most convenient way to install IntelliJ IDEA for Windows. If your Windows computer running on ARM64 architecture or running on AMD CPU, you can download this option, IDEA Windows ARM64. Okay, click the download button here to start downloading the installer for IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Okay, the download is in progress. The file size is about 700 megabytes. Okay, the download of IntelliJ IDEA installer is complete. Okay, and click the folder icon here to show the file in folder. It is in my downloads directory. As you can see here, this is the Windows IDEA installer for IntelliJ IDEA. And you can see on the download page, it says that download and verify the file SHA-256 checksum. So it's recommended to verify the integrity of the installer file before opening it. So click here to get the SHA-256 checksum of the file, as you can see here. Okay. And on Windows, open a new command prompt and change the current directory to downloads directory, and then you can see the installer file here. To get the SHA-256 checksum of the file, you can use this command: search util dash hash file, and then the file name, and then SHA-256. Hit enter, and it prints the SHA-256 checksum of the self-specified file and compare with the value published on the website here. If both are identical, that means I can safely open the installer. Okay, you see both are the same. That means I can safely run the installer here. Okay, double click the exe file to launch the setup program for IntelliJ IDEA. Here we go. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Click next. Okay, choose the default installation directory, and it requires about 2.7 gigabytes of disk space, but I don't have enough space, so I need to free more disk space to install this IDE. Okay, after freeing some disk space, click back and click next. Okay, now I can proceed the installation. Click next. Okay, and you can choose to create a desktop shortcut for IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Okay, click next. Okay, it will put an icon on start menu folder. Click install. It may take a few minutes for the installation to complete. You can click the show details button here to see the details of the installation. Okay, the installation of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is complete. Click finish. Then on the desktop you can see a new icon added for IntelliJ IDEA, as you can see here. And also on start menu you can see IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition here. Now let me show you how to open IntelliJ IDEA and create and run the first Java project. Click start menu button and click the new recently added application IntelliJ IDEA Community here, or double click the shortcut on desktop to launch IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, here we go. And so for the first time we need to accept the terms of user agreement and click continue. Okay, I don't want to send. Here we go. Click skip import. Here we go. This is a welcome screen of IntelliJ IDEA. Click here to check the IDE information. You can see IntelliJ IDEA version 2024.3.3 Community Edition and runtime version and virtual machine Java virtual machine Open JDK 64-bit by JetBrains. Okay, click close, and on the welcome screen here, click new project here to create a new Java project. Okay, enter the project name hello world. By default it will store the project under IDEA projects directory under my user home directory, and you can choose build system IntelliJ, Maven or Gradle. I choose the default one, IntelliJ, and under JDK here you can see it automatically detect available JDKs on my computer. If not, you can click download JDK here to install a new JDK Java Development Kit right inside from the IDE. Okay, so I already have Oracle JDK here. Okay, uncheck here to not adding sample code and click the create button here. Okay, very quickly, right? It has created a new Java project hello world, as you can see here. Okay, and right click on the add src folder here to create a new Java class. Let me zoom out the user interface a little bit. Okay, right click here and new Java class. Enter the class name main. Hit enter. Okay, here we go. This is a new Java class and the main method. Type main and press Ctrl space and it will suggest a method completion. This is a static void method which is the entry point to a Java application, and I specify the package name of the class is net.codejava. Okay, a package is like a folder structure that groups some related classes together. Okay, and we have arrow here. Click here to move to the correct package. And you can see it automatically moves the main class to the folder net.codejava. Okay, and inside the main method, we can write print a string to system output. We can use the shortcut S out here. Okay, and the text is hello world Java. Okay, that's it. The first Java program in IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, and to run this program, you can see to run it. You can see the run button here, or you can right click on the project, or right click on the class and click the run command in the context menu. Here I click the run button on the toolbar. Okay, and you can see it prints hello world Java in the system output in the standard output. Okay, and let me change the text here. Hello world Java from IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, and to run again, you can click the rerun button here. Okay, this time you see it prints hello world Java from IntelliJ IDEA. So that's how to create and run the first Java project account hello world program using IntelliJ IDEA. Alright, so that's how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community version 2024.3.3 on Windows operating system. So you can get started with Java programming, Java development on your Windows computer. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.